Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain the basics of Python programming. I'm going to explain how we will be running the basic programs in Python, Windows based GUI, and the background of Python language, and the first sample program. So Python is an object-oriented programming language. It has a high-level programming capabilities. So the Python language is also having the OOPS concepts. To write a programming script in a Python language, we will be writing a program in a file and save it in a .py extension. So it is nothing but like a C program will be ending with a .c, and a C++ will be like .cpp in the same concept. And the Python language is an interpreted, object-oriented, interactive, easy, portable, extendable, and scalable. So I interpreted in the sense it will be working in the command line mode itself. So when you are entering any programs, it can return the output immediately by interpreting, and it is following the OOPS concepts. Then it is very much interactive. So we can see in the first program, so we can run all the programs in that IDE itself, and we will be getting the output easily. And it is very easy to understand. The syntax will be very easy to understand, and it will not be hard. And it is extendable and scalable. Like it can be used for a smaller application as well as for the larger application also. And currently Google, YouTube, Instagram, and Spotify are using Python language as one of their official language for most of their applications. So Python installation. So we can it is an open source software, so we can download the Python software from its official website itself. I will give this link in a video description. You can download the Python tool for your Windows or Linux or anything. Now I am going to explain this programming completely in Windows. So we will be seeing the tutorial in Python IDE GUI. So that is for Windows. So let's before beginning to the first program, there are two modes. One is interactive mode and another is script mode. So interactive mode is nothing but whenever you are entering any commands or queries in the GUI itself, you will be getting the output. But script is something like you will be entering the code in a file and then you will be running that file. So that is a script mode. So let's see how we can run our first program. So once you install the Python, you will be having this option. You can take it from Python GUI. So we can get the basic math operations from the GUI. So if you give like 2 plus 2 or 4 into 2, you are getting the output immediately. So generally we call this as the interactive mode. So that is from the command line interface itself. So if you give like print hello world, it is giving the output. So this all we are doing in a script mode itself. So if you want to go in a script mode, like you want to write the same thing in a file, means you can create a new file and write your code. So generally if your code is more than 1 or 3 or 4 lines, you can prefer the script mode. So by clicking this run, you can run this code. Yeah. So once you run that, you will be getting the output in the command prompt. So these are the two types, the script mode and the interactive mode. So from the shell, we can do the all basic math operations in Python. So to do the math operations Python, you have to import the math functionality. So you can done it by using this import command, import math. Then you can perform the math operations with this in this way, math dot so you can find the square root of any number. Then if you just give dot and wait for some time, you can get all the functions in the inbuilt functions in the mathematical operations. It's like cos, sine, degrees, then the factorial, flooring, ceiling, all those things you can calculate. So just by giving this value, and this is the syntax. you can use floor. So these are the basic functions which we can perform from the script mode itself. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. In my next video I will be explaining what are the string operations we can perform in the Python, and post to that I will be explaining what are the list and tuples. Thank you. Thanks for watching.